is Mel Music. We are learning putting the left hand accompaniment on the music Howl's moving castle. The reason is the melody has many key changes. So first, we need to know the key. And second, find the best chord for the melody. This is a really good study, especially when the student is in advanced. We are hoping you also will enjoy finding the chord and enjoying the melody with your best chord. Thank you. Let's listen the music first. Let's see the sheet music first. There is only one page. We are adding left hand chord. Let's see the melody first. This is on A minor. Let's put the chord. Next, you have C major. From here, approximately, you have most of the time E minor. And changes to C major. Next, let's see only the melody first. This line is actually on E minor. So let's put E minor chord. And next, the melody is. This is A minor, G major. So let's put the chord. G major. From here, E minor again. Let's see the melody. So let's put the E minor chord. And back to A minor. C major. E minor. And D minor.